Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna open a dollhouse. I already opened the dolls, the mommy, put her head there, and the little girl. So we're gonna unbox this. So let's go. See it. So we open the box. This is the part of the house, the windows. Right there. And what's this? Hello. The accessories. Upstairs. What do we have? What is this? For the kitchen. Ooh. And this is for the background where you can like play in the garden. We have a brown sofa. And we got the ginormous floor, I think. And this is, wow. This is at the floor where it's down. This one is at the kitchen. This one is at the living room because it has pictures. And we have a wall. We have the we have the roof, and we have the left and the right pieces at the roof. Like you put the roof, right? And you stand them up and the roof is up. And we got some this to put together. The screwdriver. And here's the stickers. So my mom will help me. I'm gonna come back when it's done. No, actually, I'm gonna sit down with her right now. Okay, me and my mom are done making the dollhouse. And let me show you clear. Okay. Here's the mommy room, the master bed. Here's the bathtub as the baby is shower. Here's the baby's room. And down here is the kitchen where you see eggs and hot dogs. And we have a door can open, and we have a table and a television and some books and toys. Yeah. And here's the background where you want to play. But we have to make sure kids won't get here. Right here? Okay. So yeah. That's all for the video. Bye guys. And subscribe at my video. Bye. Bye guys.